How does the rolling block action work? I actually think it should be called the rolling blocks because there are two big blocks of metal that spin around pins. One is your hammer block, half cock, full cock. When I go to full cock, you see this gap here. That gap allows the breech to open. Chamber around, close the breech. The moment you pull the trigger, this goes forward, that gap disappears. I'll put this at half cock to show you. And the breech block cannot come back because it is against, and it's a very tight fit. These probably had to be like hand fitted. This is a very tight fit. This breech block will not budge, not even like a thousandth. Okay, so it's against that hammer block. This is locked shut. The round goes off. Okay, all that pressure is contained by this interface right here, and then you start over. A very simple but very cool action.